Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna make a house, and this is my first time playing Minecraft. Okay, let's begin.
Pumundo ka daw. Pumundo ka.
This is my equipment. So I first build this to put this thing up. Okay, done now. The second part.
Hey, yes.
Okay, this is the last part. Okay. Okay, done now. Let's add the pillar. Okay, 3 is enough. Now, the next thing is here and here. Let's add this. One, two. Next. One, two. Let's add some pillars. Let's put this. Okay, now. And here. Much better. Look here. More better. Now the finishing part is, let's look here. Look here. Let's go. Now let's just adapt this. Wait. Let's get this. The glass is so that has more. Okay, it's more looking good. hard to put here. Yes, finish. Let's just add this.
Yeah.
Should I add windows here? Okay, done. And here. Dang, much better. Okay, now next.
I'm still hold up, say me want us.
May saltik ka, dear.
Ya, may dos kaya.
Ay, wa.
Wala
Ay,
na.
mayo.
Ano daw ano, kahit piso.
Tres.
Piso daw ano.
Ay, mabakal sa ano.
Lumayo mo kung baba ka nun. Dali na, ito na to lang. Oh. Ikaw mabubuhay pag mayo ka to. Basta nga ne. Di bang kabang ba? Mga kabang. Adaw. Ukay ka, gasong ka.
Agadong ko na daw. Ya, inagan mo na. Kaya no? Inagan mo
Next,
na.
let's just put in. I'm gonna do the video, guys. Okay, guys, now the first. And let's just find the door. Okay, let's find the door.
Bilang-bilang.
Here, let's put some doors. I think it's
Bilang
obvious.
ba ito?
Let's just put the door here.
Ay, nalugod to.
Done. Now let's just clear
Ay,
the
na.
hallway. Okay, let's just not clear the hallway. And let's put some pillar here.
Galing kang kupal ka.
No. Put here. And here, let's add two. Okay, we're almost done. Just wait. And here, I think it's better to put some like this. This thing. Clear this. Oops, I think I make a mess. Why damage is so far? Boop, bop, boop, 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 bop. Okay, now let's just add this. Boop, bop, boop, bop. Balaling malabap. Boom, bam. Boop, bop, boop, bop. Okay, now we are done. Let's just put some just a bit of this. Done. Next, let's cover the floor like this and this and this and this. Is this allowed? Okay, now let's do this. Boop, bop, boop. Boop, bop, boop. Okay, we're done. Now, second, let's just add this to make our house even better. Okay, let's just. Okay, we're almost done. Book. No. Okay. The next is this. Let's add this and this and this and this. Lot more beautiful. Now let's begin. This, 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 this. Let's see the result. Dang, it's cool. This and this and this. This and this. No. This and this. This and this. This. This and this. This and this and this. And this and this and this and this. Next is this and this. Okay, we're done. now for the result here. I will show it to you guys. It's not that great, but it's fine.